Hello friends, welcome to Belnek Curiosity. Tanjore Big Temple, also known as Brihadishwara Temple at Tanjore or Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu, was consecrated by the great Chola king Rajaraja Chola during 1002. The structure was completed by 1010. Now let's get to the six architectural mysteries and wonders of Brihadishwara Temple and try to look at the possible explanations. Number 1. Mysterious Nandi. The size of the Nandi, which was placed by the king Rajaraja Chola, kept increasing in size. And to control the growth, there will be one nail hammered at the bottom of the legs of the Nandi. But later, the original Nandi was removed and replaced with a new Nandi. The original Nandi is still kept at the left side of the temple. So, what is the possible reason of size growth? Rocks, which are composed of minerals such as calcite, opal, and others, have tendency to grow if there is continuous supply of water. The regular supply of water and proper mixture of rare minerals in rock can actually increase its size. Generally, these kind of rocks are found in caves and are known as stalagmites. So, it is possible that the original Nandi placed by the king could be a combination of these minerals, and regular abhishekam or holy bath made the Nandi grow. Number 2. Underground passages. The temple has more than 100 secret underground passages leading to the king's palace and other temples. The most strange about the tunnels is that some paths lead to dangerous spots, and since the map is unknown, all of them are sealed. So, what are the possible reasons for making these underground passages? First, it could have been a safety trap of the king. Second, during festivals, large number of people visited the temples. So these tunnels could have been used as a secret passage for the kings to visit the temple at the time of huge gatherings. Number 3. Capstone. The topmost part of Rajagopuram of Tanjore temple is a single stone weighing 80 tons. But why and how a 80-ton granite be lifted and placed at the top of 216 feet high Vimana or tower without any advanced construction machinery thousands of years ago? So first, let's answer why. The Shiv Lingam is placed at the core of the temple where Earth's electromagnetic field is maximum. To make this positive energy reach every corner inside the temple, this 80-ton granite stone was placed to absorb the positive energy and keep this energy within the temple. And now, how? This impossible task was completed by more than thousands of elephants. They have created inclines made of mud stretching to almost 8 kilometers to reach the top and place 80-ton granite at the top of the temple. Number 4. Temple paintings. The extremely high quality paintings in the Tanjore temple indicate the artistic excellence of Chola kingdom. The strange fact is the colors of paintings are still bright and healthy even after 1000 years. Modern painters still have no clue about this. Number 5. Granite stones. Tanjore is a fertile red soil area where there is no trace of granite, yet the temple had been completely built by using more than 1.3 lakh tons of strongest granites in the world. For carrying these granites, thousands of elephants and horse carts could have been used for transportation. But the actual mode of transportation used by the Cholas is still unknown. Moreover, the sculpture designs are so complex to create with just copper or iron chisels, which were used during those periods, and yet the detailing and accuracy is just so brilliant and beautiful. Number 6. No shadow of Vimana Temple Tower at noon. Here is the whoopiest of all facts about Brihadishwara Temple. You will never see a shadow of temple tower or Gopuram at noon. So how is this possible? It's true that the shadow of the Tanjore temple did not fall on the grounds. But the temple did cast its shadow away from the main grounds towards the periphery. The geometrical construction of Tanjore temple was so perfect that one could not see the shadow because of various trees covering the ground. Along with the great warrior King Rajaraja Chola was devotee of Lord Shiva and cared for his people. He had a vision to establish the might of Chola Empire, which fueled him to lay foundation to one of the greatest architectural marvels of all time on the planet. The Tanjore Big Temple or Brihadishwara Temple is now recognized as a part of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. You should definitely give a visit to this architectural masterpiece and explore yourself. So that's all in this video, but more interesting videos are coming up. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.